If you're thinking that the e-bike bubble has pretty much burst or that we've seen all there was to see in terms of innovation here, allow Gocycle to have a word. The UK-based maker, founded by a former McLaren designer, is branching out with a cargo e-bike, the first one in its lineup. Gocycle boasts of making the best e-bike in the world, a claim that's as bold as it's difficult to verify. But there's always this undeniable fact: when it comes to motor-assisted bicycles with a very distinctive design, premium components, and patented innovations, Gocycle is the go-to brand. Founded by designer Richard Thorpe, who previously worked with McLaren, all Gocycle bikes have automotive-inspired elements and are over-engineered machines on two wheels designed for comfort, performance, and, last but not least, good looks. All these also apply to the latest additions to the lineup, the Gocycle CXi and CX Plus cargo bikes. As a rule, cargo bikes are heavy, massive, sometimes difficult to maneuver, and cumbersome when it comes to storage. Designed to haul around a week's worth of groceries, kids, and even tools, aesthetics and weight are the last on the list of priorities. So here's Gocycle proving that cargo bikes can also be beautiful. Not just that, but they can also be lightweight, portable, and fun, thanks to patented features that the brand has already showcased on previous releases. The CXi and CX Plus bikes feature the proprietary front hub-motor G4 drive, delivering 500 Watt of power but limited to just 250 Watt in European countries, where legislation is stricter. For better handling on the road, Gocycle adds a Shimano Nexus 5-speed gearing system with a Gates belt drive for minimal maintenance and predictive shifting with a pedal torque sensor. The frame is hydroformed aluminum alloy with carbon fiber, and it's capable of carrying a maximum payload of 220 kilograms. The carbon fiber helps with keeping the weight down, so the entire bike tips the scales at just 23 kilograms. It's incredibly light for a two-wheeler of this kind. The main difference between the two models is the patent-pending FlowFit handlebar system, which is present only on the CX Plus and allows endless adjustments for the most comfortable ride, whether that means an upright riding position or a forward racing style. All cables are hidden within the frame, so you still get the same sleek, clean Gocycle look you expect. The bike comes with extra portability thanks to its folding frame and the patented pit-stop carbon fiber wheels, which can pop off for storage. Gocycle promises an estimated per-charge range of 50 miles and a maximum speed of 20 miles per hour where legally allowed. It also says that the rear deck is compatible with MIK child seats and accessories, while the bike itself can be paired with the Gocycle Connect smartphone app. The bike will be out to customers in September, but pre-orders are already underway, with a $499 reservation fee. Gocycle plans to produce it in limited numbers at first, so it won't just be the smartest and most fun cargo e-bike out there but also the world's most exclusive. Pricing starts at $7,000 for the CXi and $8,000 for the CX Plus.